as the Bharatiya Janata Party commences its membership campaign, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has become an active member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have with us my colleague Nikita Sareen joining us on the telecast. Nikita, now UPCM Yogi Adityanath has also become an active member of and he's renewed his membership in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Earlier we have seen Prime Minister Modi who renews his membership, and Home Minister Amit Shah also renewed his membership.
If we talk about Riya, Bharatiya Janata Party, then Bharatiya Janata Party is running a membership campaign. Like every 6 years, it is a habit that Bharatiya Janata Party is running now currently the membership, the fellowship campaign, in which the target, if we talk about Uttar Pradesh, is approx 3 crores, and Uttar Pradesh is leading as far as the present situation is concerned. Approximately 2 crores active members have been made by Bharatiya Janata Parties, and if we talk about MLAs, MPs and all the people who were deputed for all these duties are gradually fulfilling all their details. And now if we talk about Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, today he has also made a renewal in fellowship, the campaign which has been running, and after that Bharatiya Janata Party State President Bhupen Singh Chaudhary and other fellows of this including organization congratulated him and renewed his membership. And also after renewal, he tweeted at his X account that he is feeling blessed that he has become active member of this whole campaign. Now if we talk about this particular campaign, that is Sadasyata Abhiyan of Bharatiya Janata Party, it started on 2nd of September, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi took this membership plan, and after that on 3rd, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath became and took all this leadership regarding this fellowship campaign. Now a scanner, that is a QR code, has been given and a missed call number is given, where people are currently joining and gradually becoming active member. The strategy of Bharatiya Janata Party is approx clear that they need fresh mind setup. They need some political, they don't involve in political faces. They really this time want a fresh faces whom can fight against the opposition people who are indirectly creating all that nuisance that happened in Lok Sabha elections. So now Bharatiya Janata Party, if we talk about CM Yogi Adityanath have become the active member, his membership has been renewed, and now he also wrote in his X account that he is feeling happy and he is making an urge to all the people to become gradually active member of Bharatiya Janata Party fellowship campaign.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.